Let's see how to send chatbot admin notifications. So in a chatbot, sometimes when a particular lead completes specific kind of actions, or if a particular lead submit their details, or if a particular lead wants to talk to a human, we need to actually notify the admins on a chatbot account so that they can simply jump in and start the conversation. So in this video, I'm going to explain what are the possibilities over here with sending admin notifications. So first of all, here I am in the analytics tabs over here. So first of all, to control or manage the admin notifications for each of these admins, you can go to settings over here. In settings, go to the admins. So here, this is my profile over here, Mugundan at Media. So here, click on manage over here. So in manage admins, you can simply click on edit. So here an admin can actually set whatever the notifications they want to receive. So when it comes to notification channels, these are the available options: Messenger, email, SMS, Telegram, Viber, browser notifications, or Google Business Message. And admin can also choose the notification type as well, notify admin. So this is an action in the flow builder which I show in just a minute. And let's say a particular chatbot conversation is transferred to a human. At that point, an admin can receive a notification as well. So here they can enable this one as well. And also through the e-commerce feature, when a new order received, you can receive notifications as well. To receive email and SMS notification, you have to enter whatever the email you want to receive the notification, and also to receive the SMS you have to enter the phone number as well. So that's a quick settings you can do in your admin profile to receive the admin notification. Let's see how to add this admin notification option into a chatbot. So let me quickly go to the flows over here. So here click on flows. So here I'm in the flows, and let's open this particular chatbot flow we have. So here we have a chatbot flow created to collect the customer name, email, and phone number for the VIP list. So let's say once a particular customer actually submitted all their information for the VIP list, we want to send a notification to the admin saying this particular customer has actually signed up for the VIP list. So here, to do that, you can simply add an action over here. Actions, here, actions, click on notify admins over here. As you see here, you have the notify admins actions over here. Click on it. So here you can choose who are the admins you want to notify. So you can actually notify multiple agents, or you can actually notify specific teams on your account. So here, let's say I want to notify only this particular person. I want to remove other things, other list on the person. So only this person will receive the notify action or notifications related to this particular action over here, and based on what they have set up in their admin profile. So in the admin settings, admins, this person has enabled to notify via Telegram and also the browser notifications. So they will actually receive the notifications via these two things over here. So here you can actually add the notification type as text as well. So here but this is about signing up for the VIP list. So here we actually collecting the customer name and saving in the full name field as well. So here when we send the notification, we can actually mention like this. If you type curly bracket, and here you can collect the full name of the get the full name of the particular specific customer. You can say has just signed up for the VIP list. This is a simple notification we can send to this particular admin. So here let me publish, so I can show a live demo as well how this actually works. So let's to trigger this particular flow, VIP list building chatbots. So let's go to the automated responses over here and create a quick keyword over here. Let me quickly create a quick keyword VIP, and I want to send the flow VIP list building chatbot leads. So if you check the flow name, VIP list building chatbot leads, yeah, we made this quick change to notify the admins. So let me make sure this is published and also click save over here. So we have just created a keyword for this particular chatbot flow, so we can test this one. So this actually works on any channel. So let me test this on in the Instagram over here. So let me send the keyword VIP over here, and it should actually trigger the chatbot over here and provide an option to sign up for the VIP list. I am ready. and it will ask me for the name. So let me enter the name here as George and enter an email address too, and enter some random phone numbers. So I just provided all these details, as you see here, name, email and phone number. So now it should actually send us a notification, and as you see here, we have received the Telegram notification instantly saying George, this is the chatbot, and it says George has just signed up for the VIP list. So here we have set this notification to be sent only to this particular admin who has actually enabled the Telegram notification. So that's why I received this sort of Telegram notification. So let's say in this case, if you want to send a notification to a client or to some sort of SMS message to some other person not in this particular admin list, what you can do here is that you can actually use this action over here. So let's go to actions over here. So in actions, if you go to SMS, if you choose SMS over here, you have the option to send SMS to admins as well. So if you choose this particular option, you can actually send an SMS to any phone number. So it is just, apart from the admins added over here, you can actually send a notification to some other phone number as well, and the text message, whatever the text message you want to send. So here let's send the phone number, add the phone number with the country code 2435673, and I want to send the same message. So here I want to, you can actually add whatever the variables. Full name, has just signed up for the VIP list. So this particular send SMS action is useful if you want to actually send a notification to someone not in your chatbot account, or if you want to send a notification to your client regarding your chatbot, something like that. So this is useful. So here I have added this action, send SMS. So here I can simply remove this one for now, and I want to send the SMS to this specific phone number when a particular person has actually signed up for the VIP list. So likewise, you can actually add this action in any part of the flow. So here we are actually adding in the last part of the flow. So here we can actually quickly test this one again. So let me simply go through the same flow once again, just to show you how this actually works. So here it should allows us to sign up for the VIP list. So this time I'm going to use a different name. So let's say Rock, and let an enter a different email address as well, and let me enter some random phone numbers too. So I just entered some random phone number. So this time we will receive an SMS to the specific phone number we have just provided over here. So let's see if we have actually received the SMS. So let me open the SMS I have just received, and as you see here, this person has just signed up for the VIP list. So here we haven't actually included the link to the inbox. So if you want to provide the inbox links in the chat, you can simply type inbox and you can simply choose this inbox link. So when the SMS sent, they will have the inbox links as well. So when they tap on this, it will take them directly to the inbox of the user or chat conversation of that particular customer as well. So here, this is a chat conversation. It will take them directly over here, where they can simply send messages. Those kind of things are possible over here. So that's another way of to notify admins by sending just the SMS to any number. You can actually have the capabilities over here. So from these, there is also another way to send admin notification when a particular chat is assigned to the human as well. So that can be actually achieved through using triggers. So here, if you go to tools, we have these triggers and action. So let me add a new trigger, admin 2. So let me name this one as admin 2. Or you can, when a particular chat is or conversation is transferred to a human, so you have this trigger. So this will be triggered whenever a particular conversation is transferred to a human. You can actually send the notifications to admins over here. So here, notify admins. So here you can simply choose whatever the admins you want to notify, or whatever the teams you want to notify. Those kind of things are possible over here. And even you can actually instead of using this notify admins right here, you can actually create a new flow. So here, start another flow, and here You can actually create a quick flow. Let me name this as admin flow. Click continue. So we can actually set that particular flow we are creating right here. So here we are in the admin flow, and let me paste the one I copied. So here you can change the starting step. So what happens is that whenever these admins will be notified, so whenever conversation will be transferred to the human, so here conversation is transferred to human, we want to trigger this flow. So here we can actually has a question, because this time the conversation is transferred to a human, so that means customer is actually asking some sort of question. So here you can add the notification, like notification text like this. So here full name has a question, I want to notify this particular admin. So here publish. So here let's refresh this page first, and let me create from the scratch. So transfer to human, here you can actually start a flow, start another flow, and here admin flow, save. So whenever a particular conversation is transferred to a human, so let me activate this one I just created, and particular conversation is transferred to human, we want to trigger this flow. So here in the chatbot, so what happens is you can actually transfer the conversation manually as well. So if I tap on this button, transfer conversation to an admin, we will receive the notification in the Telegram. So here let me show the Telegram notification I just received. This person has a question, because this particular chat was just transferred to the human. So if I want to show you again, this is now handled by the bot, and here if I tap on this button again, we will receive another notification. As you see here, has a question. So that's how you can actually send chatbot admin notification through SMS, email, or through other channels like Telegram, Viber, or even Messenger as well. So if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.